So
Exactly.
they're stuck and they're afraid to make the changes to move into this this AI era, and they know that they're going to be left behind, but they're not quite. They still don't know what the first step is. So even though I think pretty much everyone listening is going to resonate with what you're saying, 95%. We know the statistics that we see on LinkedIn and every day and all the other media. But I think where a lot of leadership teams currently are getting stuck because of the on the one hand the opportunity, and on the other hand the threat of not jumping onto the opportunity that AI brings all of us. They're getting stuck, to your point, in trying to figure out that making the right tool decisions. Which LLM do we use, or how do we structure the LLM to work for our business and whatever? So they're not starting in the right place. And I think this is essentially what you're talking about, is they need to start from a strategic business perspective. In other words, what are the opportunities that we have? What are the metrics we're going to use to measure them? Let's figure out what the dollar signs are. So is that revenue? Is it profitability? Is it LTV? Is it CAC?
Yeah. I think the frame I've put into my head is find your profit prompt. So to take this back to AI, you're looking for something you can ask AI on a regular basis that yields a profit for you. To increase profit, we'll all agree that you kind of have to either increase revenue or decrease cost. So that's one half of my 2x2. So think in terms of increase revenue or decrease cost. And then I just break it down into new and existing. So the simplest way to leave somebody here is, okay, where am I going to go be more profitable by either increasing revenue on the new side or increasing revenue on the existing, or decreasing cost on the new side or decreasing cost on the existing? Just 2x2, up revenue, down cost, new, existing. And that's kind of how I tell people to think. So find your profit prompt, look under new and existing, and look for increases in revenue and decrease in cost, and pick a quadrant and start throwing darts, and you'll probably make more money in less time than you thought you would and get further ahead faster.
Awesome. That's great advice.